I'm Mohan Kumar from Adiman College of Engineering. Today we discuss about topic is smart grid. The smart grid topic is smart grid components, key and key key of smart grids. So second one is the terms. The terms grid is used on electrical system that may support all some following the operations. First one is electricity generation, second one is electricity transmission, third one is distribution, and electricity control is the main of the smart grid. In short, digital technology for the two-way communication between the utility and its customers and the sensing along the transmission line. What makes the smart grids? So second one, the internet of smart grid will consist of control, computer, automation and technology equipments working together. But this is case of technologies will work the electric grid respond the digitally to our quickly challenge the electric demand. Okay, so that is the our part of a smart grid. That is a facility of efficiency and reliable end-to-end intelligent two-way delivery system from source to sink through integration of renewable energy sources, then smart grid and distributions. That is the quality of reliability best of the sustainability in the meeting of grid technologies. So something in the AT and C losses demand the response of demand side management and power quality management, then smart home energy system, etc. The smart grid acts as a backbone interface to enable new business models like smart city, electrical vehicles, and smart communication apart from the efficient of energy system and traffic structures. So more specification of smart grid, the electric system that use the information two-way cyber secure communication technologies and intelligent and integrated fashion across the electricity generation, transmission, substation and distribution and communication to achieve a system that clean, safe, secure, reliable and efficiency and sustainable. That is the three major system in smart grid from the technical components. That is the smart grid production system, smart grid management system, smart infrastructure systems. That is the social media and financial and technology and regularity and policy in the smart grids. Smart grids provided an opportunity to link the society, financial technology and policy objectives. The next one is smart grid stakeholders. The smart grid stakeholders, independence of system operator, financial firms and manufacturer and vendors, R&D organizations and consumers, electricity utilizers, environmental protection agencies. And the aims of smart grid is the vision, provide a user approach all new services to enter to the market. So second one is maintain the security of supply, ensure maintain the security of supply, ensure the integration and provide the accessibility and market and foster competitions, ensure best use of central generation, consider the impact of environmental limitations, enable demand side participation, inform to the political and regulatory experts, consider the social experts also. The smart grid drivers, the increase in electricity demand and supply shortfall, losses reduction, increase in the unit of cost of electricity, managing human element and reliability and efficiency, reliable energy integrations and grid improvement and technology advantages. Then another one is future smart grids. That is the data exchange highways to control to the many level of microgrids and storage and power exchange highways, data exchange highways and power exchange highways communicates with two-way communication. That is the future of smart grids. Then another one is conceptual model of smart grids. Conceptual model of smart grids, the markets, operations, service provider and bulk generation, transmission, distribution and consumers. The market is dynamic processing. Then energy management system is service provider. Then bulk generation, high use of variable renewables. That is the solar, wind and tidal and etc. etc. That is the bulk generation. The transmission and network sensors and distribution, smart meters and real-time usage. That is the usage of smart meter is bidirectional metering. That is the use of application for theft and everything. The distribution storage is distribution, generation and microgrids. The customer for smart application and electrical vehicles. Then another one is smart grid components, intelligent applications. Intelligent smart grid components is intelligent applications, smart grid, smart power meters, smart substations, smart distributions, and smart generations, and universal access to the low carbon, that is EO2, that is electric power generation. A smart grid is standard for distribution control and system architecture. That is the sensing and measurement, and another one is efficiency and reliability, and another one is infrastructure and security. Communication technologies, demand response, electric storage and power systems, intelligent agents and electric transportation, integration of renewables. Then another one is 7 key characteristics of smart grids. Enable active participation by the consumers. And another one is accommodates all generation and storage options. Enable new products, service and markets. Provide the power quality for the digital economy. Optimization and asset utilization and operation is efficiency, anticipates and responds to system distribution, then operates the reliable against attack the natural disorders. That is the 7 key characteristics of smart grids. And another one is modern hardware for smart grid. That is group name is power electronics and devices. That is first one is technology side, UPFC, that is Unifield Power Flow Controller. Another one is DVAR and DSTATCOM. And another one is Static Voltage Regulator, that is SVR. And another one is SVAR Compensator, SVC. And solid state transfer switch, dynamic brake, AC to DC inverter. Second group name is superconductivity. The technology name is smart grid, group name is superconductivity. Smart grid technology name is first generation wire, HTS cable, second generation wire, micro turbine, that is superconductivity. Then another one is distribution generation. The technology is fuel cell PV and wind turbine. It is a non-renewable sources. Then another one is NAS battery and redox battery and ultra capacitor, superconducting magnetic energy storage. Composite group name is composite conductors. Technology name is aluminum conductor, composite core cable, aluminum conductor, composite cable, ACC ACC RC cable, aluminum steel supported. Then another one is smart grid technologies, wide area monitoring, that is hardware and software systems and implementation of area. Three types. Hardware is phase measurement unit and other sensor equipments, that is called PMU and other sensors equipments. Second one is system and softwares, supervisory control and data acquisition, that is SCADA. Wide area monitoring, WAMS, wide area adaptive production control and automation, wide area situational awareness. It is the four types of system software using the smart grid. Implementation area generation and transmission. It is a smart grid technology, information and communication technologies, hardware and system software and implementation areas. The same following the renewable distribution, generation and integration. Then another one is smart grid technology transmission enhancement. It is the same for hardware, software and implementation area. And smart grid technology advanced metering infrastructure. That first one is hardware, system software and implementation area. Same for, that is the importance of hardware, that is the smart meters. Nowadays we used to normal meter change into smart meter. We purchase to the TNEB, Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, normal meter change to the smart meter. That is a quotation of smart meter, that is the EB minister told. The home display, in the home displays we measure to the metering in our per unit, that is the concept of payment of our change to our mobile requirement only. That is the concept of our in home display servers and relays. The system and software, meter data management system, MDMS, and implementation area, distribution, industrial and service, residential.